I think it's been a really confusing and scary time for a lot of tribes. When the OMB funding freeze you mentioned first came about, funding in areas as crucial as public safety, housing, and healthcare all seem to be impacted. This is like the doctors and the police officers and the housing units and like the actual services that are so crucial in our communities. And this really felt like life or death, honestly, for many tribes and the tribal organizations that were scrambling to find some clarity when none was forthcoming from the agencies. You couldn't even sort of find somebody who knew what was going on or how to address the issues. Now, much of the funding that was initially locked up has become available again. However, this isn't completely the case. Federal funding supporting a broad range of needs from broadband access to tribal economic development and climate resiliency to historic preservation and workforce development to tribal colleges. Funding in these areas continues to be withheld or up in the air, not sure what's going to happen with it. And as you mentioned, tribes are seeing some of their federal grants and cooperative agreements get flagged for termination under the administration's executive order on DEI and climate justice initiatives. And these things go to what we were talking about earlier, just more limitations on the ability of tribes to generate net revenue, create resources, or provide resources for their tribal communities in really challenging ways.